Hino Motors Limited, commonly known as Hino, is a Japanese manufacturer of commercial vehicles and diesel engines, including those for trucks, buses and other vehicles, headquartered in Hino, Tokyo. The company was established in 1942 as a corporate spin-off from previous manufacturers. Hino Motors is a large constituent of the Nikkei 225 on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. It is a subsidiary of Toyota Motor Corporation and one of 16 major companies of the Toyota Group. History. Predecessors. Hino's predecessors trace its roots back to the founding of Tokyo Gas Industry Company in 1910. In 1910, Chiyoda Gas Company was established and competed fiercely against incumbent Tokyo Gas Company for gas lighting users. Tokyo Gas Industry was a parts supplier for Chiyoda Gas, but it was defeated and merged into Tokyo Gas in 1912. Having lost its largest client, Tokyo Gas Industry Company broadened its product line including electronic parts, and renamed itself as Tokyo Gas and Electric Industry (TG&E), and was often abbreviated as Gasoden. It produced its first motor vehicle in 1917, the model TGE A-type truck. In 1937, TG&E merged its automobile division with that of Automobile Industry Company Limited and Kyoto Kokisen KK to form Tokyo Automobile Industry Company Limited, with TG&E as a shareholder. 4 years later, the company changed its name to Diesel Motor Industry Company Limited, which would eventually become Isuzu. Citation needed. Hino Motors Limited, commonly known as Hino, is a Japanese manufacturer of commercial vehicles and diesel engines, including those for trucks, buses and other vehicles, headquartered in Hino, Tokyo. The company was established in 1942 as a corporate spin-off from previous manufacturers. Hino Motors Limited, commonly referred to as Hino, is indeed a prominent Japanese manufacturer specializing in commercial vehicles and diesel engines. The company is headquartered in Hino, Tokyo, Japan. It was originally established in 1942, and it has a rich history dating back to its origins as a corporate spin-off from the Tokyo Gas Industry Company. Hino primarily focuses on producing a wide range of vehicles, including trucks, buses, and other commercial vehicles, while also manufacturing diesel engines for these vehicles. Hino is known for its commitment to producing reliable and innovative vehicles for various industries, with a strong emphasis on quality and environmental responsibility. The company has a global presence, with operations and sales in various countries around the world, making it one of the significant players in the commercial vehicle and diesel engine manufacturing industry. Hino Motors has a long-standing reputation for producing durable and efficient vehicles for both domestic and international markets. Here are some key points and aspects of the company. Product range. Hino manufactures a wide range of commercial vehicles, including light, medium, and heavy-duty trucks, as well as buses. Their product offerings cater to various industries, such as logistics, transportation, construction, and public transportation. Global presence. Hino has a global footprint, with manufacturing and assembly plants in different countries. They have a strong presence not only in Japan, but also in markets like North America, Asia, Oceania, and South America. Diesel engines. In addition to complete vehicles, Hino is renowned for its diesel engine manufacturing. They produce engines for their own vehicles as well as for other applications, such as generators and industrial machinery. Hino diesel engines are known for their efficiency and compliance with emission standards. Sustainability. Hino places a strong emphasis on environmental sustainability. They have been at the forefront of developing and promoting eco-friendly technologies, such as hybrid and electric powertrains for commercial vehicles, to reduce carbon emissions and fuel consumption. Innovation. The company continually invests in research and development to improve the safety, performance, and efficiency of their vehicles. They have introduced advanced features and technologies, including driver assist systems and telematics, to enhance the overall driving experience and safety. Quality and reliability. Hino has a reputation for manufacturing robust and reliable vehicles that can withstand the demands of commercial use. Their commitment to quality control and durability ensures that their trucks and buses have a long service life. Partnerships. Hino has formed partnerships and collaborations with other companies in the automotive industry to advance their technologies and expand their market reach. These partnerships have led to the development of new products and solutions. Customer support. Hino provides comprehensive customer support, including maintenance and service solutions to keep their vehicles in optimal condition. This support network includes dealerships and service centers worldwide. Hino Motors continues to evolve and adapt to the changing demands of the commercial vehicle market, aiming to provide efficient and sustainable transportation solutions for businesses and communities around the world. Certainly, here are some additional points about Hino Motors and its history. History and origins. Hino's history can be traced back to 1910 when it was established as the Tokyo Gas Industry Company. It was originally involved in the production of gasoline engines for streetcars. In 1942, the company became independent and was renamed Hino Diesel Industry Company Limited, specializing in diesel engines and heavy vehicles. Toyota Group affiliation. Hino Motors has a close affiliation with the Toyota Group. Toyota Motor Corporation is a major shareholder in Hino, and the two companies collaborate on various aspects, including research and development. This partnership has allowed for the sharing of technologies and expertise. Expansion and innovation. Hino has continually expanded its operations and technological capabilities. They have invested in research and development to create cutting-edge vehicles and engines. Their hybrid and electric vehicle technologies, as well as autonomous driving features, reflect their commitment to innovation. Awards and recognition. Over the years, Hino has received numerous awards and accolades for its products. These awards often highlight the company's dedication to quality, safety, and environmental responsibility. Corporate social responsibility. Hino Motors is committed to corporate social responsibility (CSR) and has initiatives focused on reducing its environmental footprint, promoting community engagement, and supporting sustainable business practices. Market presence. Hino's vehicles are used in a wide range of industries, from long-haul transportation and logistics to urban public transportation. They have a strong presence in markets where reliability and efficiency are paramount. Challenges and competition. Like many companies in the automotive industry, Hino faces challenges related to changing emission standards, market competition, and technological advancements. The company continues to adapt to these challenges through innovation and strategic planning. Future outlook. Hino is well positioned to contribute to the transportation industry's future, especially in the context of shifting towards more sustainable and environmentally friendly solutions. Their efforts in developing electric and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles demonstrate their commitment to addressing future transportation needs. Hino Motors' legacy, strong commitment to quality, and focus on sustainable transportation solutions have made it a prominent player in the global commercial vehicle and diesel engine manufacturing industry. The company continues to evolve and shape the future of commercial transportation. Certainly, here are some additional details about Hino Motors and its impact. Environmental initiatives. Hino is actively involved in reducing the environmental impact of its vehicles. They have developed hybrid trucks, electric trucks, and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles as part of their commitment to sustainability. These innovations aim to reduce carbon emissions and promote cleaner transportation solutions. Safety features. Hino places a strong emphasis on vehicle safety. Their trucks and buses often come equipped with advanced safety features such as collision mitigation systems, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control to enhance driver and road safety. Community engagement. Hino is involved in various community engagement and social responsibility activities. They often support local communities through initiatives related to education, disaster relief, and social welfare. Global leadership. Hino is a leader in the global commercial vehicle market, and its products are used in various countries worldwide. They have a strong presence in emerging markets, contributing to economic growth and infrastructure development. Technical expertise. Hino is known for its technical expertise not only in vehicle manufacturing, but also in diesel engine technology. Their engines are widely used in a range of applications beyond their own vehicles, including construction equipment, marine vessels, and more. Customization and adaptability. Hino often works closely with customers to provide customized solutions for their specific transportation needs. This adaptability is crucial for businesses and industries with unique requirements. Research and development. Hino invests heavily in research and development to stay at the forefront of industry advancements. They explore new materials, technologies, and manufacturing processes to improve the efficiency and performance of their vehicles. Market segments. Hino serves a diverse range of market segments, including not only long-haul trucking and public transportation, but also specialized applications like refrigerated trucks, waste management vehicles, and construction trucks. Awards and recognition. Hino has received numerous awards for its contributions to the automotive and transportation industry. These awards include recognition for product excellence, sustainability efforts, and safety innovations. Training and education. Hino often provides training and educational programs for technicians and mechanics, ensuring that their vehicles receive proper maintenance and service worldwide. Hino Motors' contributions to the automotive and transportation industry are vast and diverse, encompassing technological advancements, environmental responsibility, safety, and community involvement. They continue to play a crucial role in shaping the future of commercial transportation globally.